Menteri Rangba Kejelau Conrad Kongkal Sangma haga simbalang jogatayo lalit banjurip ikijingte ke Shillong Government College of Engineering kabadan Hamaulai kabalatay lengba ka Rusa 1.0. Ha kani kejinglit jurip ledan lang Commissioner but Secretary Ketenat Puli Putih Kejela BDR Tiwari, Secretary Ketenat Puli Putih Ambrose CH Marak, Belong State Project Director ke Rusa Meghalaya bat kibai-kibai. Kani ke Shillong Engineering College Shen kan sapenya sono bat ke sekolah ba North Eastern Hill University. Lakmi lenti besyan on saplie ya kani ke jaka pulia nak bentak jing mentoy jongki samla pulia ke jela.
How is the facilities there?
That's okay.
Facilities? Anything is
Except that we want more room for the girls hostel. Yeah.
but at least the existing ones, are they in good shape?
Yeah. To some
Bathrooms
extent,
and all?
yeah. That's okay.
So you just tell us if there's anything to be done.
You take
I'm
it out.
going to make sure that these are... Okay. That will have to maintain also. Girls hostel? Boys hostel? That is going to be used for also the games, but they will be used for police officials and all.
That is for police and the other one is for... That's what I've been told, sir.
I'll take it with you.
Ha kani ke juga sengi Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulalet dru banjurip ya ke cancer wing jong Shillong Civil Hospital ban pej ke jinglong jingman ha ke jing penbiang ya kani ke jaka ai jing sumar ya ke bayo ya ke jing pang cancer. Ha kani ke jing jurip ledan lang join DHS Surgeon Superintendent ke Civil Hospital Shillong Dr. Andreas Dakhar ki officer jong ketenat kokot kakia bat kibai-kibai. Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulong baka jingwan jurip jung kalong ban pet ke jing pentrei kikam akakan sewing. Namar hakapor bawan len shop ke klam COVID-19. La pendan kam ya kene jaka kum ka COVID center. Kum ta kidan kam ban penkala bat pen baharu ya kikat tu kani jing dan kam. Ulong bo udap da ke jing sngo komen ban saki baka jing pentrei ka kam kalaya cekmat. Balakmi lenti bahaka tayo benengkong jong benain opera on pendap no aging tay boper bat ban pentre kampura no yakni kejaka ajing sumar. Menteri Rangba ula pentip bakan nang syempor haga ban penpoi gitar gibat hemai namar bahap banyat hagi bobon kiliang.
We came to the cancer wing of the civil hospital here in Shillong to see the work going on in the cancer wing. So, as you're aware that during the COVID time, this was also used as a COVID center, and so certain things had to be changed and overall improvement had to be made. So, I'm happy to see that a lot of progress has been made, and we are hopeful that by the end of the month or by the first week of December, the entire civil work that is required to make this functional will be complete. Of course, the new equipments will take some more time to come because it's being done through a different process. But in the meantime, at least the facilities, other facilities, the different wards for female and male wards and the daycare wards, they will be ready, and hence it will be ready to be used while we can still continue using the machines that were there earlier till the new machines come. So we're happy to see that it's progressing fast, and we should be able to make it fully 100% functional by the first week or second week of December.